Hello guys, I'm delighted to welcome you to the Zero Trade channel. Today, as usual, we are going to open a couple of trades and talk about technical analysis. Also, do not forget about my Telegram channel where I provide daily signals and share statistics with you. Today, at the first time, I want to draw your attention to the account balance. We've smoothly crossed over to $120,000 and I congratulate everyone on this achievement. This week has been incredibly productive. On my Telegram channel, you can review these comprehensive statistics, guys. Furthermore, today I also want to present you with a statistic from the previous month as well as the current. Looking at July, you can see there were a total of 472 trades with 59% resulting in profit and an overall gain of almost $60,000. I consider this to be an outstanding monthly outcome. Let's also take a look at the statistic for this current month. I understand it's not entirely accurate to assess that, but with the level of activity, we can still get a glimpse of the emergent picture so far. Alright, guys, we had 200 trades with 65% being profitable, resulting in an approximate profit of $33,000. And I believe by the end of the month, we will reach $50,000 in profit. Alright, folks, let's move on trading and discuss our topic for today. The currency pair I chose is euro to pound. And let's take a look at the trading view and what do we have here? We observe a prolonged downtrend on the 1 minute time frame, followed by a sudden upward impulse movement. Let's identify potential resistance areas. The price has just reached the first level, and this could be a suitable point to initiate the first short position. Now we have the second level of resistance, and there is also a third level. Now let's consider the nearest support. We can identify support based on our recent lows, guys. So, this is our first, the second one, and the third one. So we can work within this price range, and additionally we can clearly see the trending price movement here. Let's mark that together. It's beautiful ascending in a channel pattern. It looks something like this with a few minor breaks upwards. So folks, with this chart in front of us, what we can do right now? We can wait for the trend line touch that we are observing and also for a touch of the resistance area from there. Give me some seconds to make a decision. I suggest that we can attempt our first short trade from the current positions. Additionally, we notice that the indicators are approaching this area and there is also a divergence forming here. We also notice a slight divergence here. Therefore, I opened our first short trade from the current levels on the 3 minute time frame. If the price starts moving upward, we can hedge immediately and attempt to offset the trade. So let's keep an eye on our trade while utilizing both charts. As our trade in progress, let's discuss our topic for today. I would like to show you two charts, and I'll prepare the hedging amount in case we reach that line. Alright guys, everything is ready, and let's discuss our topic for today. But first I would like to to discuss and to provide introduction to binary options trading for our newbies because I received a lot of messages with this request. Alright, our newbie traders. Binary options trading is a dynamic method of financial trading that involves predicting the future price movement of assets such as stocks, currencies, commodities, and indices. Traders engage in BO by selecting between two options: call, which predicts an upward price movement, or put, which predicts a downward price movement within a time frame. So, understanding the significance of market analysis. Market analysis is a cornerstone of successful BO trading. It empowers traders to make informed decisions based on factual data and emerging trends, rather than relying on guesswork. Employing effective market analysis strategies can significantly enhance the accuracy of price predictions and increase the potential for profitable trades. Exploring different types of market analysis. Let's talk about fundamental analysis. FA revolves around investigating economic indicators, news releases, and events that could exert an influence on an asset's price. By closely monitoring company earnings reports, economic data releases, and global news developments, traders can gain insights into potential price movements of their chosen assets. Technical analysis. Technical analysis centers on historical price. Alright guys, I see this movement and I see that price didn't show as I thought at the last few seconds, and our first trade closed with a loss. We are now hedging and waiting for further updates. Once we see a new high here, we'll have another opportunity to open a short position again, in my opinion. This would constitute a triple divergence across all indicators. While we wait for the price to reach this area, we will continue our discussion. Alright, where we have stopped, we were talking about technical analysis. Alright, technical analysis centers on historical price data and chart patterns. Traders use price trends, patterns, and key support and resistance levels to identify optimal entry and exit points for traders. Technical indicators like moving averages, relative strength index or RSI, and Bollinger Bands aid traders in assessing market movement and identifying potential reversal points. Step-by-step guide to price prediction. All these points are my opinion and my rules. So let's talk about selecting the asset. Begin by choosing the specific asset you wish to trade. This can encompass currency pairs, individual stocks, and commodities like gold or oil, or broader market indices. Determining the time frame. Decide on the duration of your trade. Binary options trades typically occur within short time frames, ranging from as brief as 60 seconds to several hours. Conducting thorough market analysis. Engage in comprehensive market analysis by blending both fundamental and technical analysis techniques. Alright guys, what we can see. At the moment, I've decided to try opening a long position, so the price is currently testing the upper boundary as well as the support area, and we also have half of the trend channel here. Typically, as you can see, the price reacts around such areas. It's tested a few times already, and again here, and we've also reached it now. This means there is a possibility that after testing the lower boundary, the price might move up to the upper one. Now let's also see what's happening on the 3-minute time frame. Here the price has only reached the oversold area. This suggests the potential for forming an even higher peak. It might have been better to enter this trade on the 1-minute time frame, given how quickly the price is moving. As you can see, even the first trade we entered well, but we got taken out in the final seconds of the trade. But no worries, we'll wait for now, and after all, I expect the touch of these lines to happen. Alright, we will talk about conducting thorough market analysis. Engage in comprehensive market analysis by blending both fundamental and technical analysis techniques. Consider economic indicators, relevant news releases, as well as chart patterns and technical indicators. Formulating their prediction. Based on your analysis, make an informed prediction regarding the asset's price movement. This prediction serves as a foundation for your trading decision. Or you just can or you can follow my signals in my Telegram channel where I show you my prediction. Alright, let's talk about setting the investment amount. Determine the amount of capital you're willing to invest in the trade. It's advisable to allocate an amount that aligns with your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Monitoring the trade. Keep a vigilant eye on the market throughout the chosen time frame of the trade. If your prediction proves accurate upon trade expiration, you'll secure a profit. Effective risk management. Remember that binary options trading involves risks. To mitigate these risks, I'm sorry guys, I should interrupt the topic and let's return to the chart. It seems that this trade will likely go into profit, so let's reset the price to the original and wait for the touch of the upper line for a potential short entry. And yes, the trade is closing in profit, and let's await the next entry point. Now I suggest taking a look at the trading view 1-minute time frame, and guys, we already have a triple divergence here. The price might not even reach the upper level. We see 1, 2 and 3 highs. I suggest opening a short trade from the current levels, and if the price approaches higher, we'll open another short position immediately with a hedge. Let me explain once again. We are observing rising highs. Here on the MACD, we are seeing descending low high. Similarly, on the RSI, we are observing descending highs, low high. So, let's keep our finger on the pulse and set the price for a potential hedge. Alright, meanwhile, let's return to our topic. We will talk about risk management. So, to mitigate these risks, adhere to sound risk management principles. Only invest funds that you can afford to lose. And consider implementing risk management tools such as stop loss where possible and take profit orders. So guys, in conclusion, market analysis and price prediction are fundamental skills for succeeding in binary options trading. By integrating both fundamental and technical analysis, traders can make well-informed predictions about asset price movements. Continuous learning, practice and discipline are vital components of a successful trading journey. Approach each trade responsibly, keeping risk management at the forefront of your strategy. Alright guys, I would like to remind you that I have a Telegram channel where I share daily signals with you and share statistics. Additionally, we have a weekly giveaway of $500 here, and for my VIP team, I'll be conducting a $10,000 giveaway in just a few days. Additionally, on my Telegram channel, you can review the comprehensive statistics over all periods and witness the effectiveness of our trades. Additionally, guys, to remind you that we gained almost $60,000 last month and almost $33,000 this month. And just a reminder that I had a vacation during the first week of this month, so I'm sure that we will reach $50,000 in profits by the end of August. I suggest taking a look at our chart, and we can see that our entry point was spot on right at the top of the trade, and it was excellent job, guys. Let's wrap up today's video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share your suggestions for the next topic in the comments. Do not forget about my Telegram channel, there's more interesting content, insights and signals there. Wishing all the great day. Yours, Mia.